Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into 17 of the coolest and most innovative gadgets set to redefine 2025. From AI companions to ultra-smart home gear and everything in between, these cutting-edge devices will change the way you live, work, and play. Get ready to explore technology that's not just smart, but truly next level. Let's jump in and discover what's coming next. Meet CODE27 Character Livehouse, the ultimate customizable 3D AI companion hub where your imagination leads. Design your own characters using 3D models from MMD, Vroid, Sketchfab, or choose from a rich library of anime, game, or original personas. Shape their appearance, backstory, and voice with advanced cloning tech and multilingual speech in 9 languages. CODE27's AI reads your tone, expressions, and mood to respond emotionally and naturally. No scripted replies, just evolving conversations and shared memories through the diary system. CODEs display real-time facial expressions and animations powered by AI rendering, making every interaction feel truly alive. Roleplay fantasies, upload stories, and create a unique companion that grows and adapts with you over time. This isn't just AI, it's your world, your CODE, your rules. Experience the future of personal AI companionship today. The Narwal Freo Z10, your next-gen cleaning companion. Designed to handle any hairy situation, its dual-flow tangle-free system prevents brush tangles for stress-free maintenance. With mop extend and edge swing, it reaches tough corners and edges, delivering a deep clean with 8N pressure. Built for both hard floors and carpets, it unleashes up to 15,000 pH suction power to tackle even heavy-duty messes. Navigating complex spaces is effortless thanks to millimeter-precise obstacle avoidance. With AI Dirt Sense, it detects dirt levels and re-cleans until every area is spotless. After cleaning, the AI-powered base station washes with hot water, self-dries, and stores dust for up to 120 days. All this in a whisper-quiet design with voice assistant support. Refresh your space with smart, powerful automation. Welding used to be complex, unsafe, and something that took years to master. But with XTool MetalFab, everything changes. It makes metalworking easy for DIYers, small business owners, and creators alike. With 108 plus presets, it delivers perfect welds from 0.008 sheets to 0.2-inch thick plates. Just choose the metal, stainless steel, carbon steel, brass, aluminum, and go. And it doesn't just weld. It cuts with high precision and even cleans. All in one machine, working reliably from -10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. But there's more. Introducing the XTool CNC cutter. Yes, it's pricier, but it's worth it. Powered by the same 1200-watt fiber laser, it cuts through 0.4-inch metal smoothly and burr-free. With dual smart cameras and one-click nesting, it previews and maximizes every inch, even tiny scraps. No pros or huge shop needed. It's compact and easy to install by yourself. The CNC cutter unlocks new creative freedom. One laser for welding, cutting, and cleaning. This is XTool MetalFab. What will you create? Step into the Star Wars universe with G1T4M1N1, the cargo-carrying droid from Piaggio, Disney, and Lucasfilm. Designed like a true astromech, its yellow finish, dome top, and struts channel that iconic droid look. But it's not just style. This sidekick hauls up to 20 pounds and follows you autonomously with smart cameras and obstacle-avoiding sensors. Built for real-world use, it runs for 7 hours and charges via USB. Control it easily through the MyGita app on iOS or Android. Enjoy interactive lights, droid sounds, and Bluetooth speaker vibes as it rolls by your side. With G1T4M1N1, your daily tasks just got galactically cooler. Whether you're commuting or cosplaying, this droid's always got your back. The NeoBlade is a wireless ultrasonic cutter built for evolved makers who demand precision and freedom. With 40 kHz ultrasonic vibration, it delivers incredibly smooth microcuts through tough materials like slicing butter with a hot knife. NeoBlade automatically adjusts power for different surfaces, giving you perfect cuts every time. It features true wireless design, replaceable batteries, and a turbo dock that fast charges both the cutter and spare battery in just 30 minutes. A built-in turbofan keeps it cool during intense use, while a child lock ensures safety. Whether you're cutting 3D prints or fine DIY details, NeoBlade gives you pro-level performance in a compact, cordless form. The Backbone Pro is a high-performance wireless gaming controller designed for serious gamers, featuring full-sized Alps joysticks, rear buttons, and an ergonomic grip for extended comfort. With Bluetooth Low Energy and up to 40 hours of battery life, it offers true wireless freedom. It's compatible with Android and iPhone via USB-C, tablets, PCs, and even smart TVs, making it perfect for gaming on virtually any screen. Whether you're streaming Xbox or PlayStation games or jumping into cloud gaming with no console required, the Backbone Pro delivers pro-grade control. Customize button mapping and save profiles with the companion app for a personalized experience. Lightweight, portable, and packed with features, this device brings console-level precision to your mobile setup, letting you dominate from your phone, tablet, or TV, anytime, anywhere. Dominate your game with the Samsung Odyssey OLED G6, a 500Hz QHD gaming monitor built for elite performance. Experience better highlights and stunning color harmonizing with deep shadows and purer black, thanks to Samsung's advanced OLED display. Samsung OLED Safeguard Plus, a proprietary cooling system, diffuses heat effectively to keep the screen cool even during intense sessions. Glare-free OLED means minimum glare and maximum game immersion, letting you stay focused in any lighting. Enjoy 360Hz refresh rate and lightning-fast 0.03 millisecond to GTG response time for sharp performance and immersive gameplay. With AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, every movement stays smooth and tear-free. The slim metal design and ergonomic stand complete the package. The Odyssey OLED G6 isn't just a monitor, it's a weapon for serious gamers. The Roku Streaming Stick HD 2025 is a compact and powerful device that turns any TV into a streaming hub. It plugs directly into your TV's HDMI port and powers through the TV itself, no extra cords or outlet needed. With a voice-enabled remote, you can control power, volume, and search across top apps like Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and more with just your voice. Its portable design makes it perfect for travel, dorms, or guest rooms. Stream your favorites anywhere. Roku's intuitive interface gives you access to 500+ free live channels, plus all your favorite streaming platforms in one place. Setup is a breeze. Plug in, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to watch. Whether it's shows, movies, or live TV, the Roku Streaming Stick delivers effortless HD entertainment anytime, anywhere. The TP-Link AX3000 is a powerful dual-band Wi-Fi 6 portable router that delivers ultra-fast speeds up to 3,000 megabytes on 5 GHz and 574 megabytes on 2.4 GHz, supporting up to 80 devices at once, perfect for streaming, gaming, and working while on the move. It offers multiple modes like router mode for Ethernet or USB tethering, hotspot mode for secure public Wi-Fi access, and APRE mode to extend your network. With a 2.5 GB WAN and LAN port, a 1 GB LAN port, and advanced VPN support, including OpenVPN and WireGuard, it ensures fast, secure, and private internet anywhere. Plus, it's easy to power via USB-C using a power bank or adapter, making it ideal for travel. Meet the Baseus PicoGo Power Bank, an ultra-slim, card-sized charger that fits anywhere. Just 0.3 inches thick and lighter than your phone, it's light as a feather. Designed for iPhone 12 to 16, simply snap on 5,000 mAh of power and go. It delivers fast 20-watt wired and wireless charging with a secure 11N magnetic grip, perfect for power on the move. Never miss a moment. It charges your iPhone 16 up to 55% in just 30 minutes, while Tesla-grade battery cells and an NTC chip ensure smart temperature control and long-term battery health. With a sleek, durable design, 9-layer protection, and nano-coated grip, it's both stylish and safe. Compact, powerful, and pocket-friendly, Baseus keeps you charged anytime, anywhere. The 2-pan Nano SSD, the world's smallest solid-state drive, lighter than a quarter, but packed with a massive 512 gigabytes of high-speed storage. With its advanced fingerprint encryption chip, only you can access your files with a single touch. Secure, fast, and incredibly reliable, it's designed for life on the go. Ultra-compact and pocket-friendly, you can attach it to your keyring and forget it's even there. Say goodbye to bulky hard drives. Store over 100,000 photos, videos, and documents with ease. It supports direct 4K video recording and delivers blazing fast 450 megabytes per second transfer speeds. With universal USB-C compatibility, it's perfect for laptops, tablets, smartphones, PlayStation 5, and Steam Deck. Whether you're editing on the move or expanding your device's storage, this tiny powerhouse has you covered. 2-pan Nano SSD, smaller than ever, safer than a vault, and always ready when creativity strikes. Tired of tangled mystery cables cluttering your desk or bag? Meet CableCap, the 3D printable, modular organizer that gives every cord a clean labeled home. From slim USBs to thick power cables, choose the right size, pop your cable in, and stack units like building blocks. Sort by type, label each one, and keep everything neat. Fully printable at home, CableCap lets you organize in your favorite colors and layouts. Whether for drawers, travel, gaming, or DIY setups, it's smart, simple storage that ends cable chaos for good. Join the cable revolution and turn your mess into a modular masterpiece. Meet the Titanium Dragon Pearl, the titanium dream pen built to last 100 years. Crafted entirely from aerospace-grade GAR-5 titanium, this pen has no plastic, just pure precision. Its patented one-click dual-wing trajectory mechanism is rated for over 1 million smooth presses. With a modular design, every part is swappable from grip textures to accent beads, making it uniquely yours. The extended tip and balanced weight offer total control with every stroke, while the clothing-safe clip uses a ceramic or ruby bead to protect your fabric. Corrosion-resistant and space-ready, it even supports Fisher Space Pen refills. The Titanium pen isn't just built to write, it's built to last a lifetime. The CODE27 2 is an all-in-one detachable AI smart mouse that combines a wireless mouse, touchpad, presentation clicker, and AI-powered recording and summarizing tool, all in a sleek, ergonomic design weighing just 70 grams. With one press recording, the AI voice recorder records, transcribes, and summarizes meetings instantly. ChatGPT is enabled for effortless meeting transcription and instant summaries. Customize touchpad controls and easily switch between desktop and air modes. It features a smart presentation spotlight indicator light, laser pointer, and voice recording to create meeting notes quickly. Share notes via QR code or send them to others with one click. The snap-on super portable CODE27 2 boosts productivity and makes presentations interactive and efficient. Meet the ORIO F6, the world's lightest SUP pump at just 460 grams, perfect for outdoor and home use. Inflate paddleboards, tents, and pools quickly with its high-pressure wireless design that's 63% faster than traditional pumps. Manual inflation is exhausting, and bulky electric pumps are inconvenient, but the F6's compact size and handle make it easy to carry anywhere. Powered by a strong battery, it inflates a paddleboard to 8 psi in just 5 minutes and up to 16 psi adjustable pressure. With 3 smart modes, SUP, kite, tent, memory presets, and precise digital pressure monitoring, it's your ultimate inflation companion for effortless, fast, and portable use. At outdoors, a proper shower isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Meet FlexDale's tiny shower bucket and bag. Your on-the-go shower station ready for any mess. Just one twist, and you can rinse anything, anywhere. At its core, a built-in patented turbocharged pump delivers a powerful high-pressure spray, no plumbing or pedals needed. Simply tap to start your shower journey. It handles hot water up to 60 degrees Celsius, giving you home-level comfort after water sports or outdoor adventures. Compact yet powerful, the shower head is easy to control with one hand, and the 2-meter smart remote lets you switch it on or off anytime. Tiny shower bucket and bag, pure tech, pure ease. Experience freedom and cleanliness wherever your adventures take you. ZimaBoard 2 is a hyper-performance single-board server built to hack out new rules. Powered by the new Intel N150 processor and up to 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, it delivers triple the performance of its predecessor, perfect for use as a home server, software router, local AI hub, or even a mini NAS. Its versatile interface includes PCIe 3.0, dual 2.5G Ethernet ports, mini DP 1.4 for stunning 4K visuals, and dual SATA for expandable storage up to 36 terabytes. With fanless, silent design and pre-installed Zima OS, you get a seamless personal cloud experience. Zima Client enables lightning-fast backups at up to 280 megabytes per second, while RAID protection ensures data safety. Use it with Plex or Jellyfin to turn your living room into a 4K home theater. With a rich Zima OS app store, ZimaBoard 2 adapts to your needs, making it the ultimate all-in-one digital command center. And that wraps up the 17 coolest gadgets of 2025. From AI companions and wireless ultrasonic cutters to ultra-portable SSDs and Star Wars scooters, the future is here and it's insanely fun. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell so you never miss out on the next wave of futuristic tech. More epic innovations are on the way, so stay tuned, stay curious, and as always, thanks for watching, tech enthusiasts.